Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at noon today. We have the upper level feature still over the Gulf Coast region, Texas Gulf Coast. It's slowly moving to the east, and that's going to continue to produce quite a bit of rain along the Gulf Coast. And maybe still a bit of rain around here, but it'll be very iffy, little bit of rain. The GFS has it fairly dry. Can't really rule out a shower in our eastern counties. But otherwise, it'll be partly to mostly sunny in our far western counties. And then there could be a little bit of precipitation late tonight in our southeastern counties. And then it kind of dries out a little bit as we move into Thursday. However, this system is still going to be just south and east of the state. And there will actually be a second piece of it that's going to be moving back in our area. It's moving to late Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday with a bit of rain then. Highs today and tomorrow, 50s to around 60 for the most part. And then as we look at Saturday and Sunday here, Saturday looks to be turning cloudy, a bit of rain around. Highs will be in the 40s to lower 50s both Saturday and on Sunday. If we do see any sunshine, it likely will maybe be on Sunday, but don't count on it. Any sunshine that we do see could boost our temperatures a bit, but as I said, it looks to be rather cloudy, and with a shower or two around. Doesn't look like a whole heck of a lot of rain, maybe up to a quarter of an inch on Saturday and Sunday. Then as we move into the new work week, unfortunately, when everybody goes back to work, it gets nice again. It mainstay that it's going to mainly be dry, as clouds will slowly depart as we move into Monday. Monday and into Tuesday as well. The winds, especially on Tuesday, will start to come out of the south ahead of this next system that's going to come in late Tuesday night into next Wednesday. And that system is going to bring warm air with 60s and maybe even a 70 or two on Tuesday. And it's also going to bring us showers and thunderstorms again as we move to the middle of next week, as you see here. Fairly decent dynamic system moving through the Midwest back into the Four Corners region, and with a system like that, that's going to be producing quite a bit of activity. So this is a system we're going to have to watch over the next couple of days as it moves through. But what it will do as well is it's going to bring temperatures back down to a more seasonable level as we move toward the end of next week, and even further along into the extended period around the 20th of March. Flow is pretty zonal with a couple of trough axes just to our west, more over the Four Corners region as well. And that'll be producing a system over there, especially Texas, down into the Gulf Coast. And the Rockies look to be somewhat unsettled. Looks to be turning a bit warmer again ahead of that system, maybe back into the 50s and 60s at that time. But mainly during the extended period, it looks to be somewhat seasonal, and that's mainly due to these cool periods that come in behind the front. You can see a trough axis, a fairly decent sharp trough axis just east of the state, flow coming out of the north. That will keep our temperatures, or would keep our temperatures cooler, with warmer air starting to filter back in toward the end of the period here around the 24th. So confidence isn't too high on this run, but we'll keep watching to see if we see any trends in the coming days. Satellite image from last evening. Showers and thunderstorms across the Midwest, back into the Texas Gulf Coast region. Some severe weather down there. Another system over the west. That'll be moving in as well. And now when we take a look at the watch warning map from last evening. Flash flood watches from around St. Louis southwestward, severe thunderstorm watch, even a few tornado warnings at the time. A lot of flash flood warnings in Louisiana and adjacent states. The rest of the nation is fairly quiet, but it's this 5-day outlook of precipitation. Lots of precipitation, pretty much where those flash flood warnings were. Also across the northwest as well. Around here, about 1/10 of an inch to the northwest to maybe about 3/4 of an inch southeast.